I saw that shit come back.
We're at Walmart right now. We gotta buy a bunch of stuff that we can explode with CO2 BB gun and bow and arrows. I don't know what we're gonna get. We'll just look around. And we are not banned from this Walmart. Yay! It feels so good to be able to walk in freely without worrying about security. Watch this. I'm about to just walk into a Walmart. This is gonna be so cool. No one's gonna stop us. Chat, watch this. Look at this, chat. Look at this. No one to stop us. We're not bad. Nice. And we need a big bottle of Coke. Shake it up, shake it up. Why not get some milk? Let's get some milk. Damn, we should have brought like a thing to carry this, bro. Oh, chat, let me put y'all on. These are so gas. Try these, bro, dead ass. Now what?
Grab the egg.
I'm looking a little bit hungry, so we'll also shoot this. Let's go. I think this is everything we need from here because we have more stuff at home. We got a bow and arrow, we got a CO2 BB gun. Let's just blow some shit up and see what happens. You know, welcome to another vlog.
I'm Aryanhockey, I play hockey, I'm doing this shit for fun.
I ain't gonna lie, I might have to shiesty up for this video. Feeling like a little demon today. I ain't gonna lie, we're feeling like a demon today. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Safety mode. Take it off safety, guys. Okay, bet. And we got some bubbly. I don't know who actually drinks this. Yo, let me know. Do you guys drink this? Like, dead ass. This is not, like, it tastes like garbage. Shake it up. Did I miss? No way. Oh, shit. Oh. We're basically making a wall of duct tape. We're gonna use this whole roll. We're gonna see if all this duct tape can stop a bow and arrow. We're gonna use this whole roll, so that's a lot of duct tape. Time lapse time. That is one whole roll of duct tape. My back is super sore from that, I ain't gonna lie.
Unk.
Ah, bro. Nice, chat. He thinks he's funny. Cameraman talking. Who said the cameraman can talk? Fire this guy, chat. First of all, hold on. Let me show who's recording. Chat. It's Arsh. He barely records with me anyways. Guy's half unemployed now. Anyways, guys, this is basically like 100 layers. Come up and show him. It's like 2 layered. It's like double layered. You feel me? It's double layered. Yeah. Let's see if this can stop a bow and arrow. This better go through, bro. Come on. Oh my day. Oh, okay. It went through. It went through. Look. It went through. Bro. Go through, please. Oh, nice. That made 0. Get in here. Nice, bro. It barely came. Oh my god. Oh my god. It barely came through the other end. Go through, please. Oh, nice. That made 0. Get in here. I give up.
Nice one.
I give up, bro. I give up. Five condoms versus a BB gun. Let's see if the BB gun goes through. 5 layers of condoms. Let's see if a BB can go through it. 6 shots in the mag. We just about to load out.
He's giving us all.
We're empty. The true test. Are condoms durable? First layer of condoms. Right. Oh, the duct tape actually stopped the BB bullet. Oh my god, it fully came through.
No.
Oh my god, it's inside the condom. It's inside the condom.
I'll take the duct tape.
Second layer, fully through. Fully through. No duct tape on this side. Third layer, fully through. Fourth layer, fully through. The fifth layer, the fifth layer stopped it. Damn, it takes 5 layers and a piece of duct tape to stop a BB gun. 5 condoms. This is not an ad for Magnum condoms. They didn't sponsor me, but if they would like to sponsor me, I'd be down. Since Arsh hasn't been on the channel in a very long time, I'm gonna let him shoot one of the cans. Shake it up. Alright, for every shot you miss, 2 push-ups. Deadass. Nice. 2 push-ups. 4 push-ups. 6 push-ups. What the hell, cheating? Oh! I got all over him. That's karma for going up close. Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
I remember like 2 years ago, this guy wasn't even able to do 2 push-ups, bro.
Not even one.
Not even 1. Yeah, that's crazy. I used to get pissed at this guy. Bow and arrow versus a whole gallon of milk. I'm sorry for wasting food, guys.
It's expired.
Yeah, it's expired. Oh, yo! Oh. I hit the lid off. Nah.
Pila dad.
Dude, perfect. That was a trick shot. No, put some respect on my name. That was a trick shot. Where'd the bow go? I mean, where'd the arrow go? Nice, we're not finding that. Hit this, bro, please. Option number 2.
You can still drink it.
It's yours. You can take it home. Hey guys, this video isn't just exploring random stuff, because for tomorrow I have something cool planned. We're gonna go mess around on an ATV and see what the hell's gonna go down. I'm gonna be bow and arrow versus Coca-Cola big bottle. We're switching weapons. Bow and arrow takes too much skill. Oh wait, this is gonna be bad. Hold up, back up. Oh shit! Oh shit!
Drink it, drink it.
Up. Oh shit! Oh shit! Drink it.
Pila.
Very nice. I hope you got the angles, man. What the hell?
I hope it did too.
You got scared. Why'd you run off?
Because it's fucking coming on me.
Coming on you.
Yeah. Drink it.
You drink it. Is this recycling?
Yeah.
Or empty, right? Oh, bro, I'm so sticky. Now I gotta take a shower. God, the last time I showered was May 1st. One last bubbly can. Might as well blow it up with the bow and arrow. A bow and arrow does require a lot of skill. I'm gonna keep it a buck, okay? It do take some skill.
I was never hired.
See, you're talking, but you're not letting me concentrate. Oh, why am I that bad at this, bro?
Yeah, you got the shit, yeah.
I got it. Watch this. Yeah, I got it.
Yeah,
Yo,
drink
Bubbly,
it.
I do love your product. Sponsor me. Yo, let me know. Do you guys drink this? Like, deadass. This is not, like, it tastes like garbage. Me. Oh! All of them just hit him, bro. A glass cup. I'm about to shoot it, but right after I shoot this and it cracks, I'm gonna regret it, cuz you have to clean it up. Cleaning up glass is not fun. Alright. Low-key, we're kind of far. Let's see if I hit this first try. Safety. What?
Is he even shooting?
Oh.
I saw that shit come back.
Oh. Oh, dude.
Is that actually it?
So bad. The CO2 is ouch. That's not powerful enough. Oh, I hit the trash can and it bounced back. Look, it dented the trash can. Ouch, bro. I better not get a bruise. That hurts so bad. Fuck you, bitch. Make an edit, right?
Accidentally just didn't get shot in the head.
Yo, edit. Lamar Jackson, ready? Oh, damn. Still good to use. Ha, nice. Psych, I lied. Psych, I lied.
I think he lost it, yo.
Like, who told you to talk? It's still good to use. Huh, nice. Psych, I lied. Okay, I do.
What up? I think yeah, slowly I'm gonna give a gap. You have to give a gap. Give it that fucking other thing. Yeah. Little more gas. Yeah. And he fucking stalled it.
Nice one.
I'm gonna drive an ATV, bro. Okay, I know how to do it now.
Put the clutch in and then pull the brakes in. And every downshifting, right?
Hold the clutch in and the brakes in?
Yeah. And downshift too.
Okay, right now I'm holding the clutch.
And then. Oh, no, stop. You have to look. And hold the clutch.
What the fuck?
Hold the clutch in and pull one down.
What?
Hold the clutch in and hit the brake. Hit the brake.
You almost hit the car.
And he fucking stalled. Nice one, right?
I was
Nice
scared
one.
of the car.
Lift up.
You almost hit the car.
And he fucking stalled. Nice one, right?
Cause I was scared of the car.
This is way better.
Look what the fuck you're doing right now. Sam, upshifting. Oh shit! Yo! Oh shit! Yo!
And he fucking stalled it. Nice one, right?
Nice, I broke it. Fuck.